Hi, it's Frank from Midland Industrial Covers. We have a new video for you today. We're on site at a customer location, beautiful location in Pitt Meadows, where we're doing an install of some vinyl curtains for a Backyard Discovery Gazebo. So these are very popular gazebos, and customers often ask us to make vinyl curtains for them. And one of the questions they have is, how do we hang the curtains on our Yardistry or Discovery or Sunjoy gazebo? So to answer that question, we're profiling an install today using hanging hooks, where we're installing some hanging hooks on the outside perimeter of the gazebo, and from those hooks you can hang the vinyl curtains. So all of our curtains are fabricated at our warehouse in Burnaby in BC, and they're custom made to the size of your gazebo. It's typically a two-man job to hang them, and as you can see from the video, they're really easy to put up. So as the seasons change, customers who have really nice outdoor gazebos are looking to extend the use of them. And so the vinyl curtains that we custom fabricate will allow you to use it all through the fall and the winter and into the spring. This customer here today has gone for a roll-up door at the front and then zippers connecting each panel on the corner. And then she's gone with a 32-inch brown border at the bottom and a 6-inch brown border on the top and the sides, and the rest of it is clear. So for more examples of the work that we've done, you can visit our gallery, where you'll see all of the vinyl curtains that we've made for not just backyard gazebos, but patios and decks and pergolas and restaurants. And if you like what you see and you'd like a quote, there's an option on the top right-hand side of the website, get a free estimate. You click on that, fill in your details, submit your information, and then that comes back to us, and then we'll follow up with you with a phone call and go over the details of your project together.